Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you tests of adhesives for plastic threads. Before we move on to the glues, prepare the surface. Apply isopropanol to the screws and thoroughly clean them of any contaminants. Our plastic threads, in this case made of polyamide, are also cleaned. And then we must spray them with ATK11 activator. We recommend application to both surfaces. It's important to mention here that the adhesives we'll be using are exclusively for polyamide and PVC threads. Wait about 15 seconds until the preparation dries slightly. And now we can begin the gluing process. The first adhesive for this task is KEMISKOL T548. I'm applying the adhesive onto the initial threads. Then we tighten the screw. Worth noting here, the glue has a third disassembly class. Now we have the second adhesive, KEMISKOL T675. Don't let its identical color deceive you. It is also green in color, and it is also removability class 3. The third adhesive is KEMISPOX W21 epoxy. For this two-component adhesive, manual mixing is necessary before application. We will leave the whole thing for 24 hours. Let's start with T674 glue. In the first phase of unscrewing, we see a very good effect. Let's say the result is satisfactory, but we'll see how the other glues perform. Hand-mixed epoxy, that is W21. Well, here it's definitely weaker. A characteristic crunch and practically the screw is unscrewed. The final one tested, T548. Let's check. Strong pushback at the start. We can see how much force is necessary to turn the thread. Undoubtedly the best of all the products we tested.